Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, August the 10th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and the binary with 4 stars. It's time now for the JigsawSudoku. JigsawSudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, Suguru. This one will be 9068. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, so I think could be a 0 stars, could be a 1 star. 0 stars puzzles need to be faster than 14-30 minutes. If it's a 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. Question is this a 0 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always on 1. Only one single box, always on 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 2. The 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. More dual boxes? Nope. How about triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box contains the 1 and 2 and the 3. Well, I cannot place those numbers in sufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Next, here we have another triple box. The 3 is already given, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 4 is already given, okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here, quadra box there, quadra box, well, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2, 3 numbers left. We have a 2 here, so these 2 boxes can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to... Oh, no. We have another quadra box here. Overlooked. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. Next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Do we have more L shapes? Nope. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here another one. Mirrored. This box. Oh, this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 or a 4. 3 or 4. Well, we have a 4 there, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box will be a 3. Is connected with that box, will be also a 3. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, constructions that you need to recognize. Maxima 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. We have 1 number left in this quadro box for number 4. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. Then, let me see, these 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left with a 2 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left with a 2 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes, 2 out of 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left with a 5 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. Well, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright, and now, let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then, this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left with a 5 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left with a 2 in this area supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then this box can be 2, this box can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as up here. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area. For number 1 is connected with that box. So 1. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this triple box. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Well, let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3, and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see, I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, yes, definitely a 5, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there, finish in 10 minutes, well, told you, should be a 0 stars, cannot be a 1 star, 1 star. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, I'm faster than 14 and 30 minutes. So, should be a 0 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Sunday. So, have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.